from grade 40. Today I am showing you about water density. Here I took 2 glasses of water. One is salt water and one is normal water. Now I took 2 lemons and gently placing them on the water. You can see that the lemon in the salt water is floating and the lemon in the normal water is sinking because salt makes the water more denser. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Srimayi from grade 3T and today I am going to show another experiment of water density. Friends, density is nothing but physical quantity that measures how much mass is contained in a given volume of a substance. Now I have a glass of normal water. I am adding blue color in this. Now you can see that the color is sinking in the normal water. Now I have a glass of cold water. Now I am adding some color into. Now you can see that the color is floating in cold water. Friends, cold water has more density than normal water. Finally, I proved that water has density. Thank you everyone.